Hey guys, this is a quick comparison between the GitHub Copilot and Kiro. So the Copilot in right now, what I think is better comparing to Kiro. So you're gonna have the snappy autocomplete, instantaneous snippet generation, inline edits, widely appreciated for velocity and build user experience. Now the Kiro is kind of like the new thing on the market. Maybe like month by month it's going to get better. So the execution is a little bit slower. There is like kind of like the delay and performance lags. So that's something that you have to be aware of. Then the plan documentation for the Amazon Kiro, you have auto specs, structured planning. With the GitHub Copilot, you have light annotations, chat, no enforced spec pipeline. Also limited to active file project context. But with the Kiro, you have also integrates enterprise context and internal docs. So that's like difference there. But yeah, you need to understand the speed is like the big thing there with Kiro, where you have the slower execution and adds latency. And with the Copilot, we have fast inline suggestions, chat, and edits. And then also the IDE integration. And for the experience, or for the enterprise dev structured workflow, you can test out Kiro. Just be aware of the speed. And with the GitHub Copilot, you have agile prototyping, solo devs, feature level coding, so that's good. So that's pretty much it for both. I hope this video provided you at least a little bit of value, what you can actually expect. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.